Promoting local and oral history of Igboras, Iloilo. Brief history of Igboras. The name Igboras is derived from two local words. Ig or tig means plenty of or season of in the native language. Baras means sand or gravel. Combined, it translates to a plenty of sand or place with abundant sand gravel, referring to the sandy riverbank and stony terrain that characterize the area, particularly near the Tangyan River and around Mount Napulac. As early as 1650, Igboras was already recognized as a visita, a small village with a chapel of Augustinian missionaries, with the first town site established at Binanuan. The town site was moved several times due to floods. It moved to Utas and later to Kababugan in 1223 AD. Significant people and local heroes. Rev. Juan de Medina, in 1615, he found the first iglesita or chapel in Tinogpahan, near Binanuan, marking the start of Spanish missionary presence in the area. Father Juan Acuado, in 1752, he moved the town to its present location. Don Diego de Tamook, in 1761, he became the first head of the Pueblo town of Igboras. Don Flor Evidente, he served as the first municipal mayor after Igboras was separated from Guimbal in 1990, laying the groundwork for local governance. Don Eugenio Ialdama, he was the first congressman elected from Igboras in 1925 to 1928, and later served as a municipal mayor in 1955 to 1961. Don Mariano Espeleta, a delegate to the 1935 Constitutional Convention, he later became a consul general and ambassador to several countries, elevating Igboras' profile internationally. Geography. Status: second-class municipality. Land area 148.72 km², 57.42 square miles. Location: coordinates 10 degrees 42 and 122 degrees 16 about 33 to 40 km from Iloilo City. Neighboring municipalities are Sibalom West, Miagao Southwest, Tubungan Northeast, and Guimbal South. Population: 32,442 in 2004 census. Topography: it has gently rolling terrain that transition to the central Panay Mountain in the north. Average elevation is around 104 to 111 meter, with the highest point at 452 meter and the lowest at 14 meter. Flora and fauna. Notable flora include a species of Rafflesia, the world's largest flower. The area also has diverse vegetation typical of tropical regions, with forests and mountainous parts. Fauna details are limited. Culture. Festival. Town Fiesta, celebrated annually on May 22 in honor of Santa Rita de Casia, and June 24 as the Municipal Fiesta in honor of San Juan de Bautista. It features religious procession, cultural performance, and community gatherings. Pakuyang sa Tangyan Festival, held from May 13 to 18. It highlights the town's indigenous culture, showcasing bamboo instruments like the tulali and the boundaria and hand-woven patadyong. Cuisines. Foods. Local dishes include grilled fish, shrimp paste, and traditional Ilonggo fare. Specialty also featured mangoes, known for their sweet taste, and taro swamp chip, a local snack. Additionally, agricultural products like rice, vegetable, and livestock are integral to the local diet. Language. Dialect. The dominant language are Karaya and Hiligaynon, with Tagalog and English also widely understood and also official and educational setting. A unique feature is that many surnames start with the letter E due to Spanish Governor General Narciso Claverías in 1849 decree. Unique custom and tradition. Loom weaving. In Barangay Santa Barbara, traditional loom weaving of Batadyong, a wrap-around cloth with multiple uses, is still practiced, though it is fading craft. The product have expanded to include shawls, placement, and other items. Historical site: Igbaras Church. Ruins. Built in 1878, the old limestone church was damaged by an earthquake in 1948 or a flood. Remnants include the altar, now a grotto of the Virgin Mary, and a section of the wall converted into an adoration chapel. Tourist attraction: natural wonders: Mount Napulak with a unique huge stone at its peak, Natsadan Falls, Gitsan Falls, and caves like Igabugao Cave and Bayas Cave.